Is that what we're doing? Oh, you missed the longest burp. I almost died. Oh, take it easy out here.
I think we should buy these ones for her.
These are gonna be.
They're
Yeah.
lasting longer.
Yeah.
And she likes these
I've been
ones.
having nothing but good days lately.
Good.
I'm so glad.
Yeah.
You don't.
I don't have good days.
Do you mind if we vlog?
Not at all. What?
Okay.
You kidding me?
Alright, alright.
I would if I just. Hey, just like, comment, smash that like button. Smash that like button. Destroy that shit. I don't care. You're talking to someone who had so many failed YouTube accounts.
Same.
She was a witness.
Same.
Yeah, even Amethyst was like, yeah!
Oh man. Hello, everybody.
Gmod stuff.
These with so much
Welcome back to our happy home.
The Doctor Who Gmod one.
Yeah, that's still there. I put
Good.
all of them on
Showed it to
unlisted.
him.
I put them on unlisted, but I didn't delete them.
Oh, shoot. I forgot my sunglasses. I'm gonna go grab those.
Want to start the video over?
Why?
I don't know. Here we go.
Here we go.
We're gonna leave shortly.
in.
Put the keys in.
Putting the keys in.
Put the keys in.
keys in.
I want to see you put those keys in. Wait. If you want to see him put those keys in, like, comment, and subscribe. Smash that like button.
That's
Leave
the
a
end of
comment.
That's the end of this vlog.
Bye. What's up?
What's up?
How's it going? I'm saucing on you. I'm swagging on you. I'm balling, now the sun on you.
Yeah. Katrina's calling me fat. What's up?
Hey, what's up?
Hey.
You recording me? I'm recording you.
Whoa.
Hey.
Whoa.
Oh my
Hey.
God.
Hey. Look
Hey.
at that. Whoa.
Hey.
Hey.
Oh. Hey.
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 Oh.
Oh.
Okay.
Hey.
Okay. Hey.
Okay.
Okay.
Hi.
Hey.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
All right. What's going on? Oh, I'm zooming in.
All right. We'll get back to you in like a couple of years.
What was that? What app was that?
What?
What app was that?
My camera app.
Oh, it looked weird.
So she like. No, you gotta spot me, Mason. I
Okay.
don't want to drop the baby.
Here.
I can be your cameraman. I'm dressed like one.
You're not wrong. All right. So far, so good.
Hi.
She's a little crooked though.
Oh, do you want me to record this? Oh, it's recording right now.
Yeah.
Okay. Edit that out.
What the hell's going on with
Babe,
the
you
strap?
seriously messed up.
I tried.
Do you want me to be a quiet cameraman?
No. No, I wanted to include you in the vlog.
Okay.
That's why I brought it.
Nice. There's Amethyst.
I still have to upload like 6.
Oh, okay. So this is going to be
Can you
uploaded for a
tighten
while. Can you link me to your channel, by the way?
Yeah, I can.
Hold on.
Yeah. I can link you to it. Oh, wow, I'm proud. Yeah, I'll send you a link.
Can you roll me?
I'll roll you.
That's me.
Whoa, you have pockets that have zippers.
Hi.
That's actually really, like, smart.
What?
Your pockets have zippers.
Yeah. They do.
Yeah.
Yeah, they do. Check those out. It's fake gold. So, like, the more I use it, it turns like
It turns, like, green.
it's like rose gold. And
Yeah.
That's kind of neat though.
I like him.
So, alright.
There we go. Anything you want to say before we venture off?
Yeah, we only brought Javon to hold the camera.
Yeah.
He's not here for anything
Guess I'll
else.
go myself then. Huh?
Like, I will never tell you not to use the camera, but I'll be like, hey, can you get this?
Okay. I'm like super zoomed in on your eye right now. This is a really good camera. Oh my
It
God.
is, yeah.
It was only $250.
Wow.
Yeah.
Some of them have little joeys in their pouches.
Have you seen that video? It's titled "Kangaroo Playing with His." It's a kangaroo. He's playing with his balls in the video. It's pretty funny.
I've never seen that.
There's one over there too.
Yeah.
It's the first one I saw.
There's like a lot.
Oh yeah. They're so beautiful. I want to see one jump around. Jump up, and get down. That one's over there like adjusting himself.
Look at this one.
Which one? Oh my god. Please hop. I swear to God, hop. Please hop.
I bet if you throw something at it, it'll...
No. Don't. No. 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 She's like, what? Don't do that. That's so. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Oh wow. That's so.
They got wallabies too.
That's so precious.
Yeah. Right over here.
Oh, he's just taking a nap. Good night, wallaby. Good night. Wallaby.
You want to see the tortoises?
Do you want, are they next?
Yeah.
They're next? They're sulcanas, that's what I heard. Look at that one, he's so grumpy, the one on the left there. He's like, get out of here. Yeah. I love that one in the front. I love when they move. They barely ever move.
I know.
Oh, look at them fish.
Do you think these ones have the strings like mango?
Yes. Way stronger ones too.
She like power washed the car.
Yeah. Yeah.
I thought you were gonna throw her because she almost peed on you. They were like, oh shit, she peed on your car.
That one can probably smell mango on me.
I can't wait till you see the big ones.
Me too.
The ones that I sent you
You're gonna be
photos
so
of.
excited.
Can't wait.
Every time I come here, I'm like, Javon would love this.
Jump out at you. I don't see it. I don't see it. Hello?
It's usually in the back.
Yeah, I don't see it in here. Maybe it's on the floor.
No, it's definitely not. You get
Oh, I see it better than
take a closer look.
I see red little baseball bats, but that's not a bat. Oh my god! Did this zoo put a pun in here?
Yeah, see, it's just
Literal red bats.
yep.
Oh boy. My people. Oh, don't put that on your channel. Oh, look at this little energetic guy. Oh, hey, is that a capuchin?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Hey, what you doing? What you doing? What you eating? They're big bunnies, for sure.
Faux so.
Faux show. Hey, monkey. Hey. Yo, what's up, bro?
Oh, sorry.
He goes. Oh, that was that thing.
Yeah, that was the bird.
Oh yeah, they eat fruits, vegetables, and live birds.
I mean, it's not alive anymore.
That's true. That's
Wow.
good. Good for that bird. Yeah, that's just
Wow.
that's unfortunate right there.
Yeah.
He's just snacking on that thing.
Wow.
I could watch this all day, honestly. I've never seen anything like this.
Me neither.
Especially at a zoo.
Yeah, right?
And now Amethyst is witnessing it.
Look, baby.
Look! Look! It's a monkey destroying a bird.
Wow. That's savage.
I did not know they even did that.
Me neither.
I knew they can pull your arm out of your socket, but I don't know.
Really? That's fun.
Not those, but specifically.
Yeah.
But this guy's just hanging out. Whoa! Hey! Ho! Hey!
He's like, yo, give me some of that bird, homie.
Oh, is he gonna share it? Give me some of that. Is he gonna take
Oh my god.
Give me that.
I can't believe they're just playing with the bird corpse. I will never get over
I can't
that.
get over that.
I did not see that.
I'm recording that specific one with the.
Aw.
That was so cute.
The one with the black spot on the side.
Oh, there's one back here that's like actually pretty with his
Oh,
markings.
Now, mommy, there's guinea
He's munching on a lettuce.
Say, mommy, there's guinea pig.
just a lettuce. Hey,
Oh,
what are you?
he's actually gonna try. Yeah, he's trying to.
What are you, a freaking bird or something? Oh, what are you, another bird?
God, really?
You're like, yo, what's going on here? What's going on here, yo? He's gotta give you trouble?
He's trying to peck me.
Yeah, this guy, he comes over here to my cage and he's like, yo, can I touch you? And I'm like, no. Oh, looks like I'm gonna have to take care of that then. Oh, how about you back up then, buddy? Yeah, back up. Yeah, back up. Hey, back up. Yeah, back up. Hey, I'm Greg. It's me, Greg. I'm vulnerable. We are vulnerable. We are vulnerable.
We are all vulnerable. Look at the big one.
Whoa.
He's 17 feet tall and that doorway's 18 feet tall.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah,
So he has to like duck?
Almost, yeah.
He has to like,
Oh, the baby.
oh! He has emerged to wreak destruction on all who oppose him.
He's just a little taller than you, Javon.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
They can drink up to 12 gallons of water at once.
You're goddamn right.
It's a herd.
Oh my gosh.
It's happening. Oh my god. Yo. Yo. Hey, you want a high five? High five. High five. High five. Oh my god.
I love you. Oh, you want to chew my hand? Okay. I still love you. Ow. Go easy. Little Miss Sharp Teeth.
How much does she have? 3?
Yeah,
Yeah.
she's getting 3 more.
She's getting 3 more, yeah.
Oh wow. Ah! Give her a high five now. Perfect. She wants a high five. High five. Yes.
No, you can't chew my fingers. Stop with the finger chewing.
Give her one of them ones.
She's not chewing anymore. Aww. I think she's trying to play peekaboo.
Peekaboo.
Dead.
All right. So I see a resemblance. 2 little monkeys. Precious little monkeys.
She hit me.
Hold on, I gotta give her a high five again. Hey.
Huh?
Talking to Javon.
High five. She doesn't care anymore. She's over it. Oh wait, never mind. I don't know.
Feel free to show yourself too.
Okay. Hey, how's it going?
Because this also, if you're not sure if you're in France.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Fun.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Sup?
What's up?
Sup?
How's it going?
It's going.
It's Scone.
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 Scones.
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 Perhaps. Perhaps. Hold on, let me just. Alright.
What happened?
He's gonna be a beautiful butterfly one of these days.
What are you doing?
High five? High five?
Oh.
Yeah.
This is all about me.
Ratatouille.
Ratatouille? Oh, is she like pulling my hair?
Yeah.
She's gonna control me. Via hair pulls.
Yeah.
That's like,
Not how.
I just realized that's
Not
a
how it
really
works.
dumb concept.
Just a neurosurgeon rat. She's gonna drop your
How did he control him by pulling his hair? It doesn't make any sense.
Alright, here we are. Here we are.
This is our vlog now. It's not about Amethyst and Katrina at all anymore.
Welcome
It's
back.
just the Mason and Javon show now.
Welcome back. What's that? Who's that? You hear that?
What?
I don't hear anything. Just kidding. You alright?
Okay.
Hey. Chill.
Mate.
Alright.
All aboard! Got my leg out.
That encompasses over 50 acres.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Members of the squirrel.
The train and the pony are the same exact thing. And they're both that way.
A train pony. Come here, friend.
Hey, Alvin! Alvin! Simon! Theodore! Alright, let's check out some baboons.
Is there
Damn.
some like leaf coming out
Oh,
of his ass?
that's a big boy.
Look at that booty.
That's a big boy. Oh,
Booty rocking everywhere.
booty rocking everywhere. Booty rocking everywhere.
One had grass coming out its asshole.
Yeah.
That one's
This
like, oh god.
Do you see it?
Yep.
It has grass in its butt.
Ooh, that one?
Yeah.
The one near the balls? I don't see any grass.
There
in his
was
butt.
grass in his butt.
Hey, I'm grass at. Oh, he's looking at. He's looking at us.
He's
He's like,
okay.
will I have to murder today?
he was just
No, he was scratching.
That guy's just chilling. Look at him.
cool.
You'll see him.
You're like,
I don't see him.
He's leaning against the wall, just straight chilling. Don't worry, it's on camera.
you're like a foot taller than the both of us, so.
Oh, here comes the big boy. He's gonna come cause
There's
a
a
ruckus.
little one.
Yeah.
Where?
Oh, he's just like
Next to
grabbing
the
his
big boy.
nuts.
Oh, damn.
They're, like,
Oh, are they fighting? Like, hey, clean your room. He's like, no, Dad. Get out of here. It's my space. It's my area. God. It's like, don't you disrespect me like that. Oh, do.
Of course, I did that as soon as he started recording. At least these ones aren't eating corpses.
Oh, God, yeah. That was freaky. There's so many. Oh, whoa, little guy. Take it easy. What the fuck? Oh, hey, there they are. Oh my God. He's so close to me. He likes me. He really likes me. The hell? Chipmunk. That's you two.
Aww. Look.
But they're kind of ugly.
Kissing her teeth? Did you just kiss her? You
won't
kissed
kiss
her
me.
gum.
She doesn't love me.
Hey, little buddy. What you doing? What you got there? Is it gross? Oh!
Huh?
You had the That's Skyrim.
Perfect. Hold my hand, baby. Get his teeth out. She doesn't want to hold my hand.
Oh my god. Jacob. Jacob? Jacob?
Oh no. Slap that fucking dead.
It was a spider.
Say that again?
No.
We're gonna feed her to the bird.
Hey! Happy Thanksgiving! He's like, shut up. Just trembling with rage. He's like, I swear to God.
That sound is him. The doop. Just if it comes back this way, I'll pick her up.
There's also baby goats in the shed.
She's trying to get in. She's like, save him! Save him! What is that? I see a tail. Is it a
A
goat?
little goat.
Is it a really little goat? Because it's really small from where. You shut up. You shut up when I'm speaking. Got that? Huh?
Did you just call him Papa?
You got that?
Oh. He has like hair on the front of him.
Oh my god, he looks.
Jumped.
What if he sprung up at you? Like,
I would be killed.
yeah. Whoa, there's multiple in there? What's going on in there? Hey, little guy.
Just sliding down
Just
the wall.
sliding on the. That's you and Anna.
Literally, that's what it looks like in the morning.
Sorry, I didn't mean to push you. Wow, that's amazing.
It's just
Look at her, she's like, yeah, I got it down. Yeah! Hey, what's up?
We have half an hour to look at everything.
Oh yeah.
all right. Can you let us carry you?
Yeah. Because your shoes are falling apart too. Oh boy.
Look at you two lovebirds.
If that's what you call it.
What do you gotta say about that, Mason?
I love you.
Yeah, me too. Kiss my train.
Mwah. Mwah. What are you doing?
Hi.